This ball club. Second down and 8. Stafford back to throw, scrambles a bit. Little dump pass out there, a nice catch made. And immediately a first down is Kenny Golladay, a wide receiver out there along with T.J. Jones, who made that catch. And immediately Detroit trying to get into Colt territory. As Stafford goes to work once again with a throw, a terrific hit by Vontae and a pick. And Indianapolis comes up with the interception, and John Simon, who just joined the Colts in the offseason, makes the interpick.
Run a tight slant on him. Look at the break on the ball. Excellent at the junction point. Excellent job by Simon hustling to get back for a pick. Great way to start it out on defense with a turnover.
That's the Colts' #1 draft pick, got in 2017. Here's the throw to the end zone. What a catch. Unbelievable grab by Kenny Golladay. He was going to the ground when he caught the football. That was just a tremendous pick, or actually a reception by Golladay.
Yeah, this is again, Golladay has beaten Quincy at the end of the down. Quincy's in really good shape, but on both cases, he doesn't get turned around.
Walker to get rid of the football. 2nd and 10.
There you go.
And here's a screen pass. And right up the middle of the football field goes Pope. All the way across the 50 to the 40 and down to the 35-yard line. Tremaine Pope. Second year out of Jacksonville State.
And that's welcome to special teams in preseason.
And the boot on its way, and Adam Vinatieri knocks it through as you would expect. And the Colts are on the scoreboard for the first time today. And the throw to the end zone, Golladay, and he makes the catch for the touchdown. And Kenny Golladay has already got 2 scores in this football game, both of Detroit. The better side of the football today for Indianapolis. They have made some plays. Here's Kyle with a throw, and he finds his man down on the near sideline, and a couple of extra efforts on the part of the wide receiver, Dantes Ford, and he is able to get into the end zone. The rookie out of Pittsburgh with a big play.
I think he's got single. Fade it. Oh, they ran it
off. How about that?
Good call.
And
touchdown.
It's a touchdown. Tremaine Pope.
Good drive. Pope finishes it.
Here's the kick by Vinatieri, and up and through as you would expect, and the final score will read 24-10.